Imagine a world where the sky isn't the limit. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, what if I could go there? For centuries, humans have dreamed of exploring the cosmos. From ancient myths to modern sci-fi, the allure of space travel has captured our imaginations. But what exactly can spaceships do? Let's dive into the incredible capabilities of these celestial vessels. 1. Orbiting Earth. Spaceships can orbit Earth, providing a unique perspective of our planet. They can monitor weather patterns, study natural disasters, and even help to improve communication systems. 2. Traveling to the Moon and beyond. Spaceships have successfully landed on the Moon, collecting samples and conducting experiments. They've also ventured to other celestial bodies, including Mars, Venus, and even asteroids. 3. Sending probes to distant planets. Spaceships can send probes to distant planets to gather data and explore uncharted territories. These probes have revealed fascinating insights about the solar system and beyond. 4. Space stations. Spaceships can construct and maintain space stations, providing a platform for scientific research, technology development, and even human habitation. The International Space Station, ISS, is a prime example of this capability. 5. Space tourism. Spaceships are becoming increasingly accessible with the rise of space tourism. Companies are offering commercial space flights, allowing people to experience the thrill of space travel firsthand. 6. Future possibilities. As technology advances, the possibilities for spaceships are endless. They may one day be used for interstellar travel, asteroid mining, or even colonization of other planets. From orbiting Earth to exploring distant galaxies, spaceships have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the future of space exploration is brighter than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.